Hello student, in your before class we can see the OSI security architecture. In your OSI security architecture we can see the three tabs: security attacks, security mechanism and security service. Today class we can see the security attack. What is security attack? First we can see the what is attack. Before class only I will explain attack and threats, but now also I will revise once. What is attack? Attacks, we know it is an action that compromises the security of an individual, an organization, and if the attack is successfully launched, then the effect of the attacks would be loss of the data or corrupt the data or inject some virus or malicious software into the hardware or defacing the servers, and many effect are possible. That one we can call it as a attack. In your attack there are two types. Security attack. In security attacks there are two types. First one is a passive attack. Next one is active attack. What is passive attack? Firstly we will see the passive attack. What is passive attack? Passive attacks, it attempt to learn the or make use of information from the system. That one we can call it as a passive attack. Passive attacks is attempt to learn, attack to learn or make use of information from the system. In this passive attacks, it will be we not change any data or we not changing any information. It will only see or watching the data. That one we can call it as a passive attacks. What is passive attack? Passive attack is attempt to learn or make use of the information from the system. That one we can call it as a passive attack. It basically passive attack are unauthorized reading of message and no modification of the message. It will be involved. Suppose there is a sender under the receiver. In your passive attacks, it not no modification in the messages or information. It only the watching or reading or seeing the information. That one we can call it as a passive attack. If the sender is sending some data to the receiver and the attacker intention will be just observing. In passive attacks, if sending some data to the receiver and the attacker is intention, it will be just observing or reading what message they will send to sender to the receiver, and that why we can passive attacks is unauthorized reading message and attacks mainly learned or make of the information from the system to the basically. In your passive attack does not affect any system resources. It's just observing. Attack will be not affect to the any system resources. What is passive attacks? Passive attack is attempt to learn the make use of information from the system. Passive attack is attempt to learn or make use of information from the system. That one we can call it as a passive attack. In passive attacks or unauthorized reading of the message, we can just passive attacks. Unauthorized will be unauthorized people just reading of message, just people reading of message, and just reading of message, but no modification of the message involved. No modification will be modification. We can do this in passive attack. In your passive attacks, it does not affect any system resources. In your passive attacks, does not affect any system resource, any information or data. Data will be not affect any information or data. It's only see or reading or see the information. See the information. It only observing. In your passive attack, there are two types. In your passive attack also there are two types. First one is release of message content. Release of message content. Release of message content. First one. Second one is traffic analysis. Traffic analysis. What is passive attack? Passive attack is attempt to learn the make use of information from the system. It only unauthorized people reading the information. It does not any changes to the data or information. Any work passive attack does not affect any resources, data or information. It's just a reading or seeing or watching. That's it. In your passive attack, there are two types. Release of message content. Second one is the traffic analysis. So before seeing the example, we must understand the passive attack is just a unauthorized reading and monitoring of the message. Let's assume there is a confidential telephonic conversation between two peoples, or we can confidential email between two peoples being the transmitted. The attacker's intention is just know the what is being the transmitted or what is being the communication between the each other. It is the intention. Just intention is what are the things will be exchanged between the sender and the receiver. That is the main reason of the passive attacks. I will give you one example here. What is the release of message content? Release of message content means, first one I will take release of message content. What is release of message content? Release of message content means it is the cryptography. We can use cryptography means we can use the plain text to ciphertext. Plain text means it is the original data. Ciphertext means that one is the coded data. What are the thing we can return or we can send to here? I will send someone to hi. They will receive hi means that one is the same thing we can receive. This type we can send to like this means attacker will be attacked easily. So we can use the cryptography means we can what are the things we can return send here. Hi means that one will be changed to coded form 0 1 0 1 1 0 like this it will be changed. That means it is the plain text to ciphertext, original form to coded form. That coded form we can use to release the message content. How it's work? I will explain now. We can release the message content. We can use the cryptography. We have two important character I will take on. First I will take first one I will take Alice. Second I will take an example Bob. We have a one system. We also have a one system. Here they will communicated each other through the internet or other communication facility. This one is attacker or third person reads the content of message from Bob to Alice. Bob, Alice. Okay. I will create a 3 character. First one is the Bob, second one is the Alice, third one is the Dirth. He is Dirth. Bob, Alice, Dirth. I will create 3 character. An attacker now, what is the released of message content? Say Bob is sending some message to the Ali. He is sending the message to the Alice. Somehow Bob and Alice are connected to each other. It may be through the internet or any other communication facility. What are the message Bob is sending to Ali? Dirth is getting copy the message. He is reading the content of message which is sent from the Bob to Ali. So Dirth is going to do is understand or know what is the data being transmitted between the sender and the receiver. What are the information we can they will send to Bob to Alice. He is just he is the unauthorized person. It is the third person is the Dirth. Is reading content of the Bob and Alice, or information will be just watching. In this case, Bob is sending the Alice the receiver. If the Bob Alice are exchange information, the Dirth is able to see the conversation. How we can restrict this, or how we can prevent the data means we can use the encryption and decryption method. We can use to control the third person or attackers. How we can use this time? We can use the Bob encrypt the data before sending the data, as such as Alice alone can decrypt the data. That time Dirth will not have to know where to see the message being transmitted. But if the message are not encrypted means obviously Dirth will be what is the data is being communicated to the sender and receiver. Everything we can observe or we can see. That is the main thing we can see it in a passive attack. Next class I will explain the what is active attack. I will explain in the next class. Thank you. In your passive attack, we can use the one more types is traffic analyzer. Traffic analysis. Traffic analysis. What is traffic analysis? Traffic analysis is the traffic of determined location. We can identify the communication host and we can observe the frequency and we can length of exchange of information and message. That one we can call it as a traffic analysis. What is traffic analysis? Traffic analysis is we can identify the traffics and determines the location. Determine the location. We can identifies the communicating host. Identifies the communicating host and observes the frequency. Observe the frequency and length of exchange information or message. Exchange information or message or data. That one we can see in a traffic analysis. Thank you.